Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial today will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Proton. My video is only for educational purposes. In the video, I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files if they get encrypted by this Proton ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Proton ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. It is called Proton because the ransomware note titles this ransomware as Proton, but the extension that is added is different. It is kigatsu. It may be something different in your case, but in my case it is kigatsu. Anyway, the ransomware in this ransom note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is surely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and after you click on Start Scan button, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. You will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were revealed on your system. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data with this premium license, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the infections. You'll be able to know their exact location on the system. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for protecting your data.